Well, e-cigarettes are more popular than ever, but there are some big concerns about these devices.
Today, the Food and Drug Administration took the first step in making rules for selling and using them, and Dr. Mallika Marshall joins us now with more. Doctor?
So until now, the Food and Drug Administration has only had regulatory authority over cigarettes, smokeless tobacco, and roll-your-own tobacco. Today, the FDA announced a new proposal to begin regulating not only pipe tobacco and cigars, but electronic cigarettes as well. The founder of e-cigarette maker Rejuve says the devices are safer than tobacco cigarettes.
This is a great product for people who are addicted to smoking, who just can't live without it.
But experts say that's not a fair claim at this point.
Regulation is critically needed with a product like e-cigarettes.
Hillel Alpert of the Harvard School of Public Health studies the effects of tobacco products. He says until we know more about the potential benefits and harms of e-cigarettes, their sale and distribution should be controlled.
Regulatory authorities and public health authorities are in a better position to navigate what's good for the public health than the market left on its own.
So the FDA is stepping in, saying too little is known about these nicotine delivery devices to allow them to be marketed freely to the public.
It's like the Wild Wild West. Companies can do anything that they want. We need to understand a lot more about how they're being used and what are the risks and potential benefits of e-cigarettes.
The FDA is proposing several new regulations. It would prohibit the sale of e-cigarettes to anyone under 18. They would be banned from vending machines, and they would carry a warning label that nicotine is addictive. Another concern is that e-cigarettes sometimes come in cool packaging with tantalizing flavors that may be attractive to children and teens.
There's no reason to have a bubblegum, watermelon, e-cigarette. It's the 31 flavors of getting kids addicted to nicotine.
Well, the FDA stopped short of banning fruit flavors and other sweeteners that might appeal to young people, which has disappointed some anti-smoking advocates. Some also believe that the FDA should have taken action months ago, and it could take a year or more for the new regulations to go into effect. And they anticipate that the business is going to be a billion-dollar business later this year.
Wow.
Now, obviously, they're concerned about young people, but do a lot of kids use these products?
So the CDC actually looked at that last fall, and they found that the number of middle schoolers and high schoolers who had tried e-cigarettes had doubled to about 2 million.
Wow. And
So kids are trying them.
they were worried about Joe Camel, huh? Dr. Mallika Marshall, thank you very much.